Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to view your story archive on Facebook. Facebook Stories is a feature that allows users to share photos and videos that disappear after 24 hours. However, did you know that you can still access your old stories through the Story Archive? In this video, we will show you how to find and view your story archive on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. This tutorial is specifically for the Facebook app on your mobile device, so if you are using Facebook on your computer, the steps may differ slightly. Next, click on your Facebook profile picture in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Under your photo profile, you will see three dots icon. Click on this menu. In the menu, you will see an option called Archive. Click on this option. Now, you will see two options, Posts Archive and Stories Archive. Select Stories Archive. Congratulations! You have now accessed your Facebook Story Archive. You can browse through your old stories and even repost them if you'd like. In conclusion, viewing your story archive on Facebook is a simple process that allows you to revisit old memories and share them again. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and please let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other Facebook-related topics you would like us to cover. Thanks for watching.